Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in money management. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer money from your Barclays account to SoFi in 2025. With advancements in banking tech, this process has become faster and more secure than ever. Whether you're consolidating accounts, investing, or just moving funds, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have active accounts with both Barclays and SoFi. Start by logging into your Barclays mobile app or online banking portal. It's user-friendly and optimized for 2025's seamless experiences. Once you're in, head over to the Transfers or Payments section. This is where the magic happens. Step 1. Select External Transfer or Wire Transfer option. Barclays might prompt you to add a new recipient if SoFi isn't already saved. You'll need your SoFi account number and routing number handy. Double-check these to avoid any hiccups. In 2025, look for the new Instant Verify feature, which uses biometric confirmation for added security. Step 2. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Be mindful of any daily limits or fees. Barclays typically charges a small fee for external transfers, so keep an eye on that. Next, add a memo or reference if needed, like Fund Transfer to SoFi, to track it easily. Step 3. Review all the details carefully. This includes the recipient's info, the amount, and your funding source. Hit Confirm and authenticate with your preferred method, such as a fingerprint, Face ID, or a one-time PIN sent to your phone. Once submitted, the transfer should process quickly. In 2025, expect it to hit your SoFi account in minutes via enhanced ACH systems. Keep an eye on your email for confirmations from both banks. A quick tip: always monitor your accounts for a day or two after the transfer to ensure everything went smoothly. If you run into issues, Barclays and SoFi both have 24/7 chat support now. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you in the next video.